Hey, you guys, this is Ty with Manuel Mission Marketers, and I am here to explain to you why your general contracting business needs to be on Facebook and Instagram and Google in regards to digital marketing, okay? And so the difference between us and what other digital marketers are doing is that most other digital marketers, you guys, are running Facebook and Instagram ads or Google ads. Whereas we run Google and Facebook together, okay? And so what do I mean by that? I mean is that, say, in your area, people are typing in builder near me, general contractor near me, best renovations near me, right? And so we get your website, boom, pop up on Google, right? First page. And so you're going to have, let's say, for example, 1,000 people click on your ad. These people are interested. They are in the market for a renovation, for a new home. They're in the market for your service. That's why they're searching it up. And so you have 1,000 people come to your landing page, which is something else that marketers are not doing, is that you need a landing page when you run ads, you guys. And so super simple website, very functional, simple calls to action. Call into the store, call to a sales rep, come into the store, okay? And so, say 1,000 people come in, 1,000 people click to your website, right? We're able to then take those 1,000 people that have been to your landing page, that visual display catalog, that beautiful brochure of all your work, and we're able to put tracking code into it. And so a lot of people say that they're tracking, that they're using tracking code. What I'm telling you is that many digital marketers are not succeeding in this, you guys. Their tracking doesn't work, or they just don't know how to do it, or they haven't been trained to do it, or they're lazy. I don't know what it is. But so we put this tracking pixel into your landing page, and say those 1,000 people who have been there, we're able to then take them and put them into their own audience on the Facebook and Instagram. And with this audience, we're able to build our own campaign, okay? A specific campaign, a retargeting marketing campaign, all right, you guys? And this is where the power is, because you see, people are going to see your ad once, right? And they're going to click whatever. They're busy, right? They're going to forget. But it's statistically proven that people need to see your ads 7 to 14 times over a certain amount of time to actually take action with your business. And so what we're able to do is we're able to take those 1,000 people, put them into their own retargeting audience or population or pool of people on Facebook, on Instagram, and we're able to show them more of your work. We're able to show them videos. We're able to show them pictures, a nice variety of different ads, different. You hear that? With different ads. And so until we build enough authority, until we build enough trust with them where they say, yes, I am going to take action with this company, okay? And so around 5 weeks, we show them your ad 7 to 14 times, around 30 to 40 days, okay? And so why is this so important, you guys? It's important because when someone clicks onto your ad, it shows that they are interested. It takes a lot to click an ad, you guys. And so they've shown interest. So we don't just throw them to the wind like other digital marketers, okay? We capture them and we retarget them. Okay, you guys, this is so powerful, right? This is what the mega companies are doing. This, you guys, is what mega corporations are doing at the international level. And sadly, is that people are not bringing it down to the local level. And when people do bring it down to the local level, is that they don't adjust the strategies to fit the local business. Okay, this is what we've been trained to do specifically. We're niching in flooring companies and general contractors. Let's get you more kitchen and bathroom remodels. Okay, you guys, these are visual services, visual products that need to be visually seen, guys. They need to be seen on a visual platform to get people in the door, okay? And so another thing to think about, you guys, is that with retargeting is that we're not wasting leads. So say the first month 1,000 people click, the second month 1,000 people click, right? After 6 months, that's 6,000 people clicked your ad. after 6 months, we can do an ad just to those 6,000 people and offer a special or a promotion to get them in the door. Bring a friend, get 25% off, whatever it is, okay, you guys? And we can launch specifically to that audience who have hit the tracking pixel on your website. It's so powerful, you guys, and this is the difference between us and other digital marketers, you guys. We're not throwing away the leads. I'm telling you, when there's no retargeting, oh man, they are ripping you off. Okay, that is why a lot of companies are not seeing the success that they want or limited to success. Whereas with these strategies, you can see massive success, you guys. Do you want to monopolize your trade in your area? Do you want to become a name that is synonymous with the work that you do? You need a digital marketer, okay? Whether or not you come with us at Manuel Mission Marketers, you need a professional to do this. You ask them, can you build a retargeting campaign? Are you retargeting? And if so, explain it to me, okay? I've explained it to you. It's simple. And then get them to show you statistically that retargeting is working. There's an easy way to show that if someone is competent, if someone knows what they're doing, that they'd be able to show you, okay, you guys? And I'm telling you, we're crushing it right now. Google, Facebook, Instagram. We do some other ninja stuff, you guys, to make sure that you're seen everywhere. It's called Omni-Presence Marketing, okay? 95% of digital marketers are not doing this, okay, you guys? They are burning your bread, and they're more than willing to take your money for it, okay? Here at Manuel Mission Marketers, we're a smaller company. You work with me. You work with my wife, okay? We're a family-owned and run business, and this is what we do, okay? And we like to stay in our lane, and we want to see your company thrive. We want to see your finances just be invaded. It's going to be amazing, you guys. We love you. Jesus loves you. God bless you. Hopefully, we can see you on a call one day, and we'd love to talk with you. Let it point you in the right direction. Give us a thumbs up, whatever it is, wherever you're seeing it, and give us a call. All the information will be down below. God bless you.